Hello from sunny Luleå and Lulviksbadet NUDIST nudist beach. Yes, I finally have been greeted by the long-awaited sun, and that is during my last 3 hours of my stay here in Luleå, as yesterday there was light rain throughout the whole of the day and lots of heavy clouds. But today I'm so blessed that the sun is finally back. Despite that it looks like it's very hot, it is only 13 degrees Celsius in the air. And yesterday it was 14 in the sea, and soon we're gonna find out if the temperature is still the same, which I think it is. Yes, this is Lulviksbadet, but a bit more further from the nudist beach. I mean, next to the nudist beach, as you can see, we have huge sandy portion over here. So coming from on the way from the airport towards this beach, the first one is the public beach, then it begins the nudist beach one, and this also continues to be a perfect stretch of sandy shore. To be fair, there is nobody on this whole stretch today, not even on the public, on the nudist one, and even on this even more secluded nudist beach spot that I have found. So yeah, the sun is shining fully, and just look at the water, how beautiful it is when it is sunny. And I'm so happy that I have managed to get some sun, at least in my last beach adventure here in Luleå, to show you how beautiful this is. And I have this whole piece of beauty just for myself, this stretch of 1 kilometer sandy shore, and it's gonna be an amazing swim indeed. And we have 15 degrees Celsius in the sea. That is perfect indeed. Oh my god, I cannot describe how happy I am. I didn't think that it's gonna be this sunny, because the forecast said it's gonna be heavy clouds with a little bit of sun. And that's why I was chilling a bit longer on the beach waiting for the sun. I even actually took a nap 1 hour on the beach, which I really needed, as I slept only 2 hours last night. But yeah, it is now 5 p.m. and my flight to Stockholm departs at 7:45 p.m. from the airport. That's 2 kilometers away from here, so I have a lot of time. My only enemies to make me fully enjoy this weather are the mosquitos that are attacking me as we speak, that are coming from the forest. So after I film this episode, I will go to closer to the public beach, as there were no mosquitoes over there. Here it is a bit more forest area. And yes, this is a nudist beach, the only nudist beach, official one here in Luleå. One of the northernmost nudist beaches in Sweden indeed, and it looks quite amazing. So yeah, it's time to have the last swim and last beach adventure on my Luleå beach adventure. So let's hit the water, as there will be no mosquitoes when I go in. But yeah, this is amazing. Pure piece of beauty. Despite being only 13 degrees with the sun, it feels a lot warmer. And I just can't believe I'm all alone here. It seems that people have given up because of it's only 13 degrees, but with the sun it's much better indeed. This was a nice trip. Despite not having the best weather all the way, I'm still happy now with the sun that I have gotten at the end. So after my swim here, I would chill a bit and then head slowly to the airport. Uh, Depending on the sun, if there is sunny, I can stay here actually until 6:30 p.m. as I'm traveling only with a carry-on, and the airport is very small. Very small. There is basically only half a minute to wait on the security check. And because I'm flying within Sweden, there is no passport control. Same as within EU. And anyway, I didn't even get my passport with me. I only have ID, which nobody asked for. You just check in your ticket from the barcode on your phone. I don't even have a paper ticket. So yes, it has been a blast. I have visited few beaches. Started off yesterday here at the main nudist beach, Lulviksbadet. Then I went to a small lake, shore half, and then I went to Guldsbadet or something. And then I was roaming around the city in the night. I mean in the day, because it was no night basically. And we can see from here the center of the city and this beautiful forest area that is a beautiful nudist beach stretch, even more secluded one than the main nudist beach that's just over there. So with that said, it's time to take a swim, the last swim of my beach adventures in Luleå. So let's go! That was amazing. That was super amazing. I'm gonna remember this moment forever for sure, because it's quite amazing indeed. So with this beautiful piece of nature and a swim in the sea, time to wrap up this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna enjoy a bit more in the water, and there is a plane actually departing. Then it must be to Stockholm, as out of all the flights that there are, 95% are going to Stockholm here from Luleå. And I'm actually catching the last flight tonight from the airport. So thanks so much for watching. Greetings from Luleå. Hope you enjoyed the beach adventures from here, even though there were few. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach adventures with Chris.